I'm Jackson Lucky. I'm a mediator, arbitrator, private judge, and referee at JAMS. My professional background is I was a deputy district attorney for 14 years. I was a judge at the Riverside County Superior Court for 13 years. During that time, I was the supervising judge of family, the supervising judge of criminal, and I ended up doing an unlimited civil assignment. While I was with the court, I was an instructor at the statewide Judicial College for 11 years. And in 2021, I retired and joined JAMS. I decided to pursue ADR because ADR gives me the luxury of spending a lot of time on my cases. When I was a judge, I'd have a huge calendar, and I always felt rushed. With ADR, I feel like I can give people the service they deserve. My mediation style is facilitative with what I'll call gentle pressure. I spend a lot of time getting to know the parties, and then after we've developed some rapport, I start to tell them what I think might be the best way to resolve their case if they're interested. And then at the end, of course, I push toward settlement as hard as I can. The practice areas that I concentrate on are family law, because I have an extensive family law background, business litigation of all kinds, including cannabis, and employment litigation. However, I think I have a special place in my heart for anything involving technology or intellectual property. I'm a retired judge who's been programming computers since 1980. I know the difference between functional programming and object-oriented programming. At a broad level, I know the difference between an ARM chip architecture and an Intel chip architecture. I think that combination of judicial experience and technology experience means that I can bring value to disputes over trade secrets, intellectual property, and other technology-related disputes. I think my background lends itself to neutral evaluations in a few ways. I've seen a lot of people try cases as a lawyer. I've seen a lot of people try cases as a judge. And I've ruled on a lot of motions. So I think that I have plenty of insight as to what can be effective and what can be less effective in trial. I'd say what I bring that's unique to ADR is my energy. When I was young, in high school, I was a cheerleader and I was on the mock trial team. And I always tell people that I'm kind of that combination of things. I'm analytical, I'm studious, but I know how to push people and motivate them to get to settlement.